Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well and welcome to my channel. I wanted to bring you some information from a lender by the name of Wise Loan. Now, if you're new to my channel, if you want content about improving your credit, different credit lines, different types of loans, depending on your credit score with various types of lenders and information and how to improve your credit, please consider to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell. Also give a like to this video. Now, Wise Loan have or offer instant funding within minutes, mostly within an hour. I'm bringing this type of loan because I have a request for someone who watched my information who, due to the COVID-19, was really desperate for an emergency type loan. Now, we're going to go through how this works. You can get a maximum of $2,000 within an hour, and we will go through the details on how Wise Loan works. So they offer instant funding. You get your funds within minutes, but oftentimes within the hour. And they have very limited qualifications. So basically, the qualification for the instant funding, you must have a debit card associated with a checking account. So that's one of the requirements. And so if you have to have a debit card associated with a checking account, that is basically requiring you also to have a checking account. So that's a requirement. You must apply and be approved before 5:30 p.m. Central Time. You must meet normal loan requirements. Also, ready to try instant funding for yourself. You can apply online in a matter of minutes and receive a super fast decision. So the decision making process with this company is expedient. So if you have questions, you can get more details at this number here, 1-800-516-7840. But we're going to get into more details on actually how this works. Now, one of the ways that this works, this is a same day installment loan. So it's not a payday loan, but it is an installment loan. And generally, their loans are have a payment time frame of from 2 months to 12 months of an option. But as many of times when you are dealing with a smaller loan, and for it to work this fast, you must expect that there's going to be high fees. So this is not going to be a cheap way or probably even a reasonable way to get money. But when people are in a tight, they have an emergency, unfortunately, sometimes you have to have certain options, and borrowing money for this short period of time, this quickly, is going to come at a cost. So some of the differences that they're saying with their company is quick application fees within 5 minutes. You can qualify and you don't need good credit. So for people with bad credit, you can get this loan, and it's not a payday loan. It will be an installment loan. You can get paid. Each installment loan is fully paid and earns cash with your rewards. So with the nest egg account, basically with their nest egg account and how it worked with an overview, that if you pay off the loan for 100%, they will give you some cash back on that loan. It is, when I looked into it, it isn't a large amount, and generally they will give you a referral fee of $25 to recommend others for this loan. But for you to really gain cash on this, you will have to take out a number of loans. So for me, myself personally, And for anyone else, I wouldn't recommend that the nest egg account feature with the rewards bag as a benefit, because you do not want to constantly borrow money in this fashion with the fees that's associated. But it is easy approval, next day funding, and you can be approved today and receive the money at least by the next day. They're saying free same day on loans approval before 11 a.m. Central Time. They're saying there's no hidden fees. Basically, the installment loan costs are clear and easy to understand. So what they're saying is not that it's not, fees associated, but they will explain it to you clearly so you understand what you are also really paying for this loan. Another part, they're saying you can build credit history, establish a prompt payment history with the credit bureaus. So obviously they are reporting this loan. So you want to make sure that you manage this loan really well, because it will be reporting to the three major credit bureaus. Now, one thing on the site, it does not give details on what credit bureau they will be using to decide really how much you will be approved for that loan. So that in itself, they don't really give you that information. So keep in mind, a lot with this loan, the amount will be dictated on your credit. But one of the caveats is saying they do work with people with bad credit or troubled credit. Now, one thing we will highlight, the terms and conditions is dictated on your state. So all rates are not the same. All terms will not be the same. So, and there are certain states that will not actually allow, certain states, like I see New York, New Jersey, also California, and many states are not here. So you need to review to see if your state is one of those states that will allow or their license to actually operate in your state. But for instance, if you are looking at a state far as Delaware, if you reside in Delaware, you can qualify for this loan. But when we look at the terms for this loan in Delaware, you're going to see the cost of actually having this loan is going to be very expensive for this. So this is the cost in Delaware. So this is going to give you an idea of your state and the extremely high interest rate for this loan. So loans into terms and conditions in Delaware is telling you the loan approval amount will be as minimum of $200, maximum of $2,000. The repayment terms will be from 2 months to 12 months. And the APR based on credit will be 299.96% on the low end, which is extremely expensive, to the high end of a interest rate of 799.0%, so almost 800%. So it's giving you the payment terms of the loan and the number of payments bi-weekly. And as you can see, the shorter limit of time that you are borrowing this money, or the amount, I'm sorry, not time, but the amount, the more expensive that your interest rate will be here. So it's a very expensive way to really get money. But what it is, if you are a person that is in a position where you need a loan very quickly, you're not interested in a payday loan, This can be an option for an emergency, but you must keep this in mind. This is not something that is feasible to do on a consistent basis, and it is something I would not personally recommend if you have to borrow money, possibly to exercise other options. But I do understand that there's many people that reaches out to me, and some of the premium um, loans, they do not qualify. So they are in a desperate situation looking for other options. But please keep this in mind. And if you are going to borrow money in this fashion, you do not want to make it a habit. But I hope this information is helpful for those who are really in a desperate situation. And just keep in mind how you are handling this type of loan, and make sure that you don't make your situation worse by not paying this loan on time. So if you are a person that is currently, you have trouble credit and you want to improve your credit score, we do. Even if you're a person with good credit, we do have free hard inquiry removal letters at our website. So feel free to go there and download that package if you need to remove items such as collections, also charge-offs. We have information there and packages of letters that you can dispute with the credit bureaus or with the collection company themselves at our website, so you will not be in a perpetual cycle of having bad credit if that is you. If you are a person with good credit and you have a number of hard inquiries. I had a client with a 740 credit score, couldn't get approved for credit because he had too many hard inquiries, about 10 to 11, and he needed to remove those. You can use those letters. So I hope this is informational, and I see you in the next video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.